Good up. Hello friends, today we're going to make Raboot. You can look at, and let's keep it off to the side. Where's his legs? These are the pieces. Oh. Feet, actually. You need a 1 by 1 and a 1 by 1. Very easy. Just need it right there. For his half belly, I'm going to make 1 by 4 and 4. They'll get tired by the 4 by 4. I'm going to tell us make a 4 by 4 X piece and a 4 by 4 together to make a bigger kind of 4 by 4. Whoa. Pieces. Do that. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Loop. And 4 by 4. The X piece on right now. There we go. Now there's this. You can sing music while you do this. I wanna be another foot. There we go. Now there's lower jaw piece and his cheeks. His lower jaw. Whoa. A 4 by 4. Don't get tired. A 3 piece and a curvy piece. I'm sure you'll find this in the LEGO 4x4 set. And there's pink for us. Oh, and now the cheeks. The pink ones and the pink twice for the 1 by 1. Now his upper jaw, which is also very easy. Just put a straight 4 by 1, 2 by 2, and another straight 2 by 2. Now, later I'm going to show his real face. Now I'm just showing his real butt. Now for its eye. We just get a. There's also page. Just get a 1 by 1 window piece and another 1 by 1 window piece. And for the bunny ears, they call him Raboot because he has stupidly cute bunny ears. Oh, they're so cute! I'm just bleeding. Did you know that I have a paper cut on my face? I don't think you can see it from the camera. I do have. You see that? And that movie is so cute. Bunny ear fluffy. It's how. And finally, the real ears. Bye guys, this is the end of the episode. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, which means a like and subscribe. And hit the bell button if you want to see more. And you can put it in any color, any name. Each day we put it off to the side. And you can put it without cheeks too. Bye guys.